President Rodrigo Duterte's party, PDP-Laban, has released the initial list of politikos who will be part of their senatorial slate. Majority of the politikos are members of Duterte's cabinet. They are Deputy Speaker Rodante Marcoleta, DITC Secretary Gregorio Hunasan, Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo, Transportation Secretary Arthur Tugade, and Public Works Secretary Mark Villar. The announcement of the personalities in PDP-Laban's initial senatorial slate was made on the same day the party disclosed that Duterte has accepted the endorsement for Vice President.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.